Hey guys, welcome back to my channel PetSpin. This is my video review for 3 best reptile terrariums. The first one is Coraline Custom Cage Terrarium, large 36Lx into 18D into 18H. Easy assembly. Terrariums are very easy to assemble and come in 21 different models. The 24L model and the 36L model feature hang door. The 48L and 27L models feature sliding door. All terrarium feature key lock security. The BioDeep model features a 12 deep waterproof base. The BioDeep Hybrid model features 9 and 12 deep waterproof bases. All other models feature a waterproof basis that is 4 deep on the 18H model, 6.3 deep on the 24H model, 7.5 deep on the 36H models. Now with the tougher cardboard and extra stray foam for the double box inside a box packaging for even a better protection against UPS abuse. Coraline Custom Cage is a division of Coraline Designer Targoons. We are happy to introduce our growing family for Coraline Custom Cage Terrarium. They are very easy to assemble and come in a different 21 models. All other models feature a waterproof base that is 4 deep on 18H model, 6.3 deep on the 24H model and 7.5 deep on the 36H model. This 24L model and 36L models feature hang door. The 48L and 72L model features sliding door. All terrarium feature key lock security. Now with the tougher cardboard and extra stray foam for our double box inside and boxing packaging for even a better protection against UPS abuse, Coraline Custom Cage is a division of Coraline Designer Targoons. The next one is ExoTerror Glass Natural Terrarium Kit for reptiles and amphibians. Glass terrarium for reptiles and amphibians. Patent front window ventilation. Rise button frame in order to fit substrate heater and has a waterproof button. Especially desert reptile species benefit for these lower size as the ultraviolet and heat bulbs are even closer than animal. The 3 new lower size are specially designed for desert setup since most desert species are ground dweller and do not move vertically. Although very similar in shape and size as the aquarium type tank, these new versions have all the great features of the typical ExoTerror terrarium. The last one is Reptizo Reptile Glass Terrarium. Glass terrariums are the preferred choice for professional herpetologists. They are offered the best viewing of your animal. They are suitable for damp and humid condition, are hygienic and easy clean. Glass also maintain the correct heat gradient more safely and easily. Maintaining the correct heat gradient is critical to reptile and amphibian as well, being as they use external heat sources in their environment to regulate their body temperature. In the wild, these animals move around within their habit of regulate their body. If they are get cool, their metabolism slow. Maintaining the appropriate temperature is vital to the body functions such as digestion. It is important to provide proper temperature condition in order to their animal grow and thrive. For many reptiles, it is not simply a matter for providing a constant temperature. However, they require the thermal gradient for a range of temperatures for a high and to low. Thus, the animal can move to higher temperature or lower temperature to suit its need at any given time. Again, I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.